Yeah. Bow. Get bro a look and he clearing the crowd. Had the whole city scream taking a trip. If they ain't know before, then I bet they know now. Hop out the car and we laying shit down. When it come to this drill shit, we making it sound. Hop in the booth and I'm beating shit down. When it come to this drill shit, we making it. Bow. Get bro a look and he clearing the crowd. Had the whole city scream taking a trip. If they ain't know before, then I bet they know now. Hop out the car and we laying shit down. When it come to this drill shit, we making it sound. Hop in the booth and I'm beating shit down. When it come to this drill shit, we making it. Bow. Making it sound. He ain't my plug, so we taking him down. Rap side, but I still keep them takers around. Trap side, why you think all this paper's around? Like, I got this shit out the trenches. Bro gotta switch as soon as they diss. He pressing that button and drench. My name ain't one you should mention. They jump online and tell multiple lies. How the fuck you think he's sick? Like bullets ain't hit his ass multiple times. Nigga, all I know is money could never go broke, cause I'm stuck on my grind. 50,000 bucks to rollie, these little broke bitches ain't wasting my time. Yo, when it come to this music, I'm making it sound. They screaming, let's take a trip up to pop. Bet even the fans know we wiping them down. They see a nigga been getting some money, bet all of the bad bitches like me now. They know a nigga been doing this rap shit, but I catch a hop and I'm making it sound like. Bow. Get bro a look and he clearing the crowd. Had the whole city scream taking a trip. If they ain't know before, then I bet they know now. Hop out the car and we laying shit down. When it come to this drill shit, we making it sound. Hop in the booth and I'm beating shit down. When it come to this drill shit, we making it. Bow. Get bro a look and he clearing the crowd. Had the whole city scream taking a trip. If they ain't know before, then I bet they know now. Hop out the car and we laying shit down. When it come to this drill shit, we making it sound. Hop in the booth and I'm beating shit down. When it come to this drill shit, we making it.